I'm Nate with Sashco, and today I want to talk to you about Lexel. Lexel is our workhorse product. It's super clear, it sticks to just about everything, and if there's only one product that you're going to have in your toolbox because you're not sure what your next job's going to bring, it's probably Lexel. And there's a good reason for that. Lexel is designed to move. This is a traditional silicone. You can see I can move it a little bit, but it takes a lot of effort to move it. If I keep going, there it goes. Lexel, on the other hand, I can move this about 7 times its original length, no problem. And not only that, it's easy to do. It's going to go back to its original size, and I can do this all day. To learn more about Lexel, go to sashco.com.